Hi everyone, I'm the lead engineer at Communications Square. We have a requirement from the bidding team to automate the entire bidding process. I'm excited to show you how we're automating our bidding process. Our bidding team has 4 main departments. The first department hunts for bids and lists them, the second department fetches prices from various sources, the third team validates and submits the bids, and the fourth team retrieves results from different portals. We've broken this project down into several phases to make the entire process more manageable. Today, I want to walk you through phase 1, where we focus on automating the bid listing step. This is where we capture all relevant bids in one place, so our team can reference them quickly and easily. We use Power Automate for this. As you can see here, we've set up a flow that runs automatically every day at a scheduled time. It logs into various portals, searches for bids based on specific keywords, and then compiles those bids into an Excel sheet. For instance, if I click on Run for the Fair Market portal, it will open the browser, fill in the email address and password, and fetch all the open bids that match our keywords. Once it's done, it logs out and closes the browser. Because it runs on a schedule, our team doesn't have to worry about missing any new opportunities. Everything is captured automatically. Now let's take a look at the Excel sheet that gets populated. You'll notice each row contains important details like the bid number, the length of the bid, the department, the bid title, due date, portal name, and the buyer's contact information. We also capture internal data points, such as the customer's company details, point of contact, and company domain. By centralizing all this data, our team has a complete overview of every potential bid in one file, making it much easier to track and organize everything. Once the data is in Excel, we move on to the Make.com side of things. Make.com takes all those records from Excel and automatically imports them into Airtable. We've mapped each column from Excel to the corresponding column in Airtable, so everything stays consistent and organized. When you open Airtable, you can see all the bids that were just pulled in, with every field neatly filled out. This means our bidding team has real-time access to the latest opportunities without manual data entry, saving them a ton of time and effort. This wraps up the first phase of our bidding process automation. In the next phase, we'll focus on fetching prices from different sources or automatically sending requests to vendors so we can secure the best quotes for each bid. By automating these steps, we aim to make the entire workflow more efficient, allowing our team to concentrate on higher-level tasks instead of repetitive, manual work. Thank you for watching this demonstration of our automated bidding system. If your organization needs a more streamlined approach to handling bids or any other process that can be automated, please feel free to reach out and schedule a consultation with us. We'd be happy to show you how automation can transform the way you work.